recipe na hinahanda. Of course, nandito pa rin tayo sa ating Noche Buena series. Kaya special na special itong mga araw na para sa inyong lahat nating mga subscribers. And today we have a very, very special guest. Isa po sa mga anak-anakan ko at dahil sa ganda niya, anak ko siya. Sobrang ganda po niya at sobrang bait at mahal na mahal ko to. Walang iba kundi si Max Collins! Yeah! O, diba?
Thank you. I love your intro.
Ang ganda, o, diba? Okay, Max, mahilig ka ba magluto?
Hindi po, kasi hindi ako marunong. Tita na. Hindi ako magpaturo sa'yo kasi hindi talaga ako marunong.
Kaya mag-umpisa tayo sa simple lang muna para sa ating, total yung asawa mo kahit ano naman kinakain.
Ay, kahit ano.
Diba? Wait, before anything, do you have any show now that you wanna invite them to?
I have an upcoming movie po sa MMFF,
Oh.
Mission Unstoppable.
Ayan, eksakto, palabas na soon, diba? So, ayan. Max, we're going to make one of the most classic na handa pag Pasko. Siyempre, ito ang ating chicken macaroni. Ang luto-luto dahil ang ating chicken, we already pre-boiled that, no? And hinimay-himay na natin yung chicken breast, whatever part you want. You can use ham, you can use bacon, you can use anything you want. But today, we decided to use chicken. And we have salt, pepper, we have onions, we have carrots, celery, pickled relish, cream, which is one na dinagdag lang natin because some people just use mayo. But to make it creamier, of course, we put cream, chicken, mayonnaise, and our cooked macaroni salad. Max, do the honors.
Kaya ko to. Madali to. Yes. Tita, pwede kong gamitin, I mean, like, if you don't have time to, like, boil the chicken, you can use yung tilapia. Nasa tilapia.
Yes, you can. Oo, pero mataas ang sodium nun.
Better
Okay.
healthy.
Ito ang health
Tama
pot
din,
eh.
tama.
Oo. Yan ang nagsasama sa mga anak ko sa gym. Pero pag tinawagan mo after ng gym, nasan kayo?
Lumalamon. Lumalamon.
Okay, so now, lalagay natin lahat, no? We put the chicken. Nako, 5 minutes lang po to, meron na kagad kayong merienda. Yan, you can put everything. Yan. Ayan. And then, you put the onions. Halo-halo lang po lahat to. Mga anak, napakadali lang nito. Carrots, of course. You dice it. You want it cube? Fine. You can do anything you want. Sabi ko nga pag sa kitchen, Max, saka pa. Pagka nasa kitchen ka, huwag kang kabahan, huwag kang matakot. Just cook and do. Basta may lasa yan, masarap. Sarili mo lang take yan. Oo. Ayan, mix mo lang
Pati
muna.
yung relish na rin dito.
Yes, relish.
Favorite to ni Pancho, relish.
Yan. Tapos, this is our mayonnaise. Yan. Maybe about, I think 1 pack is enough. This is good for 8 to 10 persons. Again, as usual. Yes, I always cook 8 to 10 kasi, diba, alam niyo na bakit.
Big family. Big family.
Yan. And then, a little cream, which is one of my secret kasi gusto ko creamy.
So usually, mayonnaise.
Lang ginagamit. Well, yung iba naman, syempre, dahil may fruit salad tayo, di ba? So, safe pa rin na. Yan. Mix mo muna. You can use the same ingredients, but you can choose, kunyari, ayaw mo ng carb. Or then you can use different vegetables, di ba? You can use zucchini, or i-roast mo yung pumpkin, yung kalabasa. Lalagay mo lahat yan, gagawin mo salad. Or beets. Syempre, yung iba naman, di mahilig sa beets, di ba? Potatoes, napakasarap din sa potato salad nito. Yan din mismo, pinalitan mo lang yung carb.
I said the macaroni.
Yes.
Ito na lang.
Yes. Now you will taste it kasi before we put the salt and the pepper, kailangan, gusto mo yung take mo ba na maalat ba siya or matamis?
Sarap.
So wala pa.
Sarap.
Wala tayo dadagdag.
Kunting pepper na lang, no?
Yeah. So you don't want it salty? Okay na yan?
I don't want it salty.
Always remind everyone, when it comes to cooking, wala pong mga limitations to. You can do whatever you want and make it your own, di ba? Kaya nga, enjoy talaga. Cooking should come from your heart and you should always cook with your heart. Yan. So, okay na siya. And then we readied some, this plate, no, with our celery stock, no? And, yan. Lalagay lang natin siya, Max.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Para maganda ang ating plating. Ang budget nito, Max, magugulat ka. Because here in Kusina ni Nadia, we always make sure that it's easy, fast, and delicious. So, ang ating budget dito is only 350 to 400 pesos. This is good for 8 to 10 persons, no? Ayan, nakita mo naman, ang dami na nito, di ba?
Winner.
Yan.
300 pesos.
Yes, kasi ang chicken breast mo, ano lang naman, wala pang half kilo yan eh. Magkano lang yun. Then you have your your lahat ng mga ingredients mo. And of course, Nadia's best friend. Ang aking, yes, I eat parsley raw kasi, kaya sobra, di ba? Ayan na, Max. Here is our macaroni chicken salad. There you go, Max.
Yay! Thank you so much. Tita.
Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas.
I love you.
I love you.